Hey there, folks. This is Brendan Dunne.
I'm Matt Welty from Complex Sneakers.
I'm Racks Hogan from Get in Line.
Just checking in for a quick special episode of Full Size Run. We do have our man Trey here.
ALife, back at it.
Trey, how are you?
I'm great. Good.
What are we talking about today?
Talking about Crocs today.
This is a first. Actually, no. Did we talk about Crocs ever before in the show?
I don't know if you guys
This is a special favor.
Cool.
Tell us about the Crocs. This is a ALife Crocs collab.
It is. Rob, who our creative director and founder, was adamant that we find a way to do something with Crocs. He always goes upstate, wears Crocs around the house.
He's like a legit Crocs guy.
He's a Crocs dude. I mean, I think at the end of the day, you know, I wear Crocs around the house. It's a good product. I think ALife is always focused on doing products. So we have two different Crocs. One is the sample, which is just the general Crocs clog, just ALife core logo, just right on it. ALife gray, pretty standard. You know, put them on. Specifically.
You want me to put them on?
Oh, I mean, if you want to put them on, it's up to you.
I got
But
Nike
put 'em
socks on, so I don't want to
go for it.
I don't
Put 'em
wanna-
on.
Did you get in line for these racks?
No,
But he'll
these
get a
is
pair.
tight.
And then
These hard.
And then whatever. Everybody, Shia
The
LaBeouf.
sock one is tight.
Shia LaBeouf, everybody from whatever wears Crocs, so we're like, you know, if you wear them with a sock, you wear them outside, so like, why not put them with a sock on it?
I think
so
this
like,
is the first time
we've ever done a Croc with a sock, right? So like the sock.
I ain't never
is,
seen that. That's why I said these is
Crocs
The
tight.
sock is sewn in. So,
Is this a sock shoe?
It's
Or is it a sock
who hates the
Crocs?
socks? Who hates sock
Welty-
shoes?
Because I fucking hate sock shoes.
Welty,
You hate sock
he
shoes.
gets very much triggered
Right.
anytime he
What's
This-
this,
this
though?
shoe-
What's this though?
So
What
this
is
is hard.
This is basically wizardry at its greatest. So I don't know if you're familiar with Crocs, probably not.
Yeah, no, I
But
used to work
gibbets,
at
right?
Dick's,
So,
yeah,
so
yeah.
gibbets are like
Wait,
the
whoa,
Croc
whoa, whoa, whoa.
phenomenon.
Slow down, slow down.
Put him on. You ain't here.
Okay, I know what Crocs are. What is gibbets?
Gibbets are the phenomenon that are Crocs, right? So you can custom build your entire Crocs however you want it. So we were like, all right,
Like
what better
little
way?
badges
That's
and
the
pins
holes
you
is
can
for.
put in
Right.
the shoe.
So you
yeah.
can put them in, and they was
How do y'all
something.
know about this shit?
Because I have a
They're-
kid.
I used to sell them at Dick's when I worked
You
there.
have a kid.
I have a
Shout
kid.
out to that. Yeah.
So,
So anyway, the gibbets that we flipped are toys essentially, right? So you can put this piece on, go around this and rep New York City, right? You got the Brooklyn
That's
Bridge, World's Fair, Guggenheim, Empire State Building, Pan Am Building, Empire State.
wait,
Simple.
what's that one?
It's the Pan Am Building.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And we're not getting sued for this.
I want these.
I'm not. I don't think you would have any issue. But yeah, so you
You
can
rock
wear.
those in the street like
These
that?
are. I reach the house all day. Yep.
Yeah, man. So
What we getting on right
it's
now?
just product.
I
I
got
think
blue
at the end of the day,
polos
it's
on.
it's
Some
meant
blue
to.
These hard. I fuck with these. Hold on.
There you go. I got one guy sold.
These
I
tight.
think you know what. At the end of the
Yeah,
day, it's
too.
for a leader, right? It's for the dude who's willing to like be a little bit out there and different.
Well,
I'll
we
pull up on
definitely
your
have at least
ass
one
with
of
these
those
bitches
here.
on at your barbecue
that.
and be like, where my plate at?
You're not invited to my barbecue anymore.
Well,
but
you better have that plate on deck.
You can build them as you want. You
Fine,
don't have
yeah,
to
fine.
have every one of them
So,
on,
no,
but yeah.
no, I would have to keep mine. You know, we have to have like
Put the
East
whole,
Coast,
build the
West
whole
Coast.
set.
Yeah.
Okay, Trey.
Don't
when-
hate because I'm beautiful, man.
I'm hating for a bunch of different reasons.
We're not making a lot of them. They sell, they don't. You know, this is going to be $80. This is $140, and that one actually is $600.
This
No.
one six.
Yeah,
This six?
$600.
USD.
This the 600 pair right here.
USD, it is.
No,
Yeah, I
no,
need
no, no, no,
those.
no, no,
Yeah.
no. How?
600, man.
I need the luxury
Respectfully,
pair.
The time, the
Is that-
quantity of pairs developed, the time,
Trey.
the limit, $600. Yeah.
I need the luxury
Don't
pair.
have to buy them if you don't want them. You know, if you don't want them, you don't have to buy
You see the
them.
dance moves?
But this goes on Jeffrey Deitch's desk, man. That's gonna go there, sit. It's a
You
piece
see
of
them on my
art.
feet first, so y'all know they look good.
It's
Look,
more art than it is sneakers.
I don't know what's happening here, but
Yeah.
You would never had these dance moves.
But they look good on you, man. They're good.
I wear these. That's like I leave the office today, and these bitches like, straight up.
What size are you?
This size, whatever this size is right
Sandrine will
here.
get you a pair. You'll
Yep.
be good.
wow,
All right.
the
Yeah.
level of thirst is insane. Trey, thank you for showing
Thank
this
you.
off. I'm glad we finally got
Thank you.
some Crocs on the show. I think
Have they
it's-
ever been on the show?
I think this
No.
is the first time, but we'll have to
Yeah.
dig back in the archives and
I doubt they
confirm
have
that.
been.
These rack certified. I fuck with these.
Thanks for watching, folks. This
Thanks,
has been
Ross.
another episode of Full Size Run.